Hello guys, today I have got Motorola Razr 7e and I'm going to show you how to summarize notifications with the Moto AI. You need to, here in this menu, find the application Moto AI. Get started. Here, as you can see, we've got many things. As you can see here, we've got Catch Me Up, tap Catch Me Up, and summarize notifications. Continue. View more, I agree. Show more, enable permission, and here you'll need to log in. I'll do this with my Google account. And here we can try it. So here, good afternoon, you're all caught up on personal communication notifications. And it's because I don't have any notifications when it comes to the communication. If you do, you'll see your summary here. Goodbye.